Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS V and MAMAMOO Wheein fortune harmony analysis. Let's analyze the harmony between Taehyung and Wheein, who has great singing skills. The upload of your request is being delayed due to the large number of requests from overseas YouTube subscriber. I asked for your understand. And please don't get me wrong because I only saw fortune harmony regardless of the facts. Many celebrities had good luck because they were so talented. Then let's analyze it together. Taehyung is a beautiful flower in his fortune. Wheein is a big mountain in fortune. Their harmony is a beautiful flower blooming on a big mountain. It seems that the appearance of men and women has changed, but it is beautiful, and pink heart means popularity. Taehyung has the most powerful letter meaning popularity. It's such a nice letter that people gather around Taehyung. Wheein also has a strong position and the letter that means popularity, which makes her feel more attractive as you look at it. As you can see in the next picture, just below the letter that means themselves is their spouse's location. They have good fortune to have a real spouse in a spouse's position. Each spouse is located in the spouse's position. It's a good structure. This is a good meaning for the spouse to play the role of the spouse well. Taehyung on the left has a very fast flow of energy. It's a rather sensitive structure, but it's a very intelligent and quick to change its mind. It is a structure that is often seen in the intelligence structure of geniuses. Input energy is good for the acquisition of information, gives it an educational and novelistic disposition, and gives it a good ability to write. The letters meaning women and wealth also give high value judgment and mathematical intelligence. This mathematical intelligence is a letter that also gives composition intelligence in music. It's a lot of luck. Wheein's fortune on the right means honor and execution very quickly. And there are letters on the right that have quick value judgment. Wheein has a letter to the right that means herself, that makes her fall into the pure art world. Wheein is a very intelligent person who lives fast in personal life with decision making and execution. The lower part of her fortune is her personal life, and the upper part is her social life. And she pursues a very pure art world. They are all fast and very intelligent. And they are charming people. Their fortune harmony score is 85%. I hope them continue to develop and happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.